Meaning of legend.
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 Legend. The term legend has a few different meanings depending on the context in which it's used. In general, it can refer to a popular story or myth that is passed down over time, often involving heroic or supernatural events or characters. It can also refer to a famous or highly respected person, especially in a particular field or activity, such as a sports legend or a music legend. Lastly, it can refer to an explanatory caption accompanying a picture or illustration in a book, magazine, or other publication.